Keeping kids busy throughout the day can be both fun and challenging. Here are some ideas to help keep children engaged and occupied. Set a routine. Establish a daily routine that includes specific times for activities like learning, play, meals, and rest. Consistency can help children know what to expect and create a sense of structure. Educational activities. 1. Learning time. Dedicate a portion of the day to educational activities like reading, puzzles, or educational apps and games. 2. Crafts and art. Encourage creativity through drawing, painting, and crafting projects. 3. Science experiments. Engage in simple science experiments or nature observations. 4. Educational videos. Select age-appropriate educational videos and documentaries. Outdoor play. 1. Encourage outdoor activities like playing in the backyard, going for a walk, riding bikes, or visiting a nearby park. 2. Consider setting up a mini garden or bird feeder to foster an interest in nature. Physical activity. 1. Incorporate physical activities like yoga, dance, or simple exercises. 2. Indoor games like hide and seek or obstacle courses can also be fun. Cooking together. Involve kids in age-appropriate cooking or baking activities. They can help with measuring, mixing, and even meal planning. Reading time. Set aside a time for reading books together or letting them explore books on their own. Puzzles and board games. Board games, jigsaw puzzles, and card games are great for developing critical thinking skills. Arts and crafts. Provide a variety of art supplies for kids to create their own artwork. You can also find craft kits for specific projects. Virtual learning. Utilize educational websites and apps that offer interactive learning experiences. Music and dance. Encourage kids to explore music by playing instruments or dancing to their favorite songs. Movie or TV time. Allow for some screen time, but ensure it's limited and age-appropriate. Use it as a reward for completing other activities. DIY projects. Engage in DIY projects that are safe and age-appropriate, such as building a birdhouse or creating homemade toys. Nature exploration. Take nature walks, collect leaves or rocks, and learn about the natural world around them. Virtual playdates. Arrange virtual playdates with friends or family members to maintain social connections. Chores. Involve kids in age-appropriate household chores to teach responsibility and contribute to the family. Storytelling. Encourage children to make up their own stories or participate in storytelling sessions. Theme days. Create theme days where activities revolve around a particular topic or interest your child has. Quiet time. Ensure there's a designated time for quiet activities like reading, drawing, or puzzles to help them wind down. Homework and learning. If applicable, allocate time for school-related tasks and homework. Flexibility. Be flexible and adapt the daily schedule to your child's needs and interests. Listen to their preferences and adjust accordingly. Remember that it's essential to balance structured activities with unstructured playtime, allowing kids to use their imagination and explore their interests. Keep an eye on their needs and adjust your approach as they grow and develop.